Hi guys, and welcome to this channel. In this video we are going to talk about shorthand ternary operator in JavaScript. You have ternary operator, which is shorthand if else. And then you have shorthand ternary operator, which is returning the same object if it exists, otherwise return something else instead of undefined or not, because otherwise it will throw error and break the application. In C Sharp, you have something like this. If the name exists, you return the name, otherwise something else. It is exactly the same as this one, as the standard ternary operator, user data.name, then you return user data.name. But here you see that you write the same thing twice, so you repeat yourself. Instead of this, you use a double question mark, which is something very interesting, very helpful and useful. That is why many JavaScript developers also want this in JavaScript. Let me show you how to achieve the same thing in JavaScript. For example, user data, this is an object. We got the name, for example, Pianos. This is the ID, for example. Get username, and here we use user data dot name, and we can use the logical OR operator instead of a double question mark, otherwise no name. Console.log, get username, save it, go to the terminal, new terminal, and then you can say node script enter. You got the name here. If it is, for example, empty, you will get the other part instead of error. So no name. The beauty of this in JavaScript is that it works with any data type. But in C Sharp, this double question mark works only with string. But if it is Boolean, it is not necessary to use this. You can directly return the value itself. Let me show you. For example, is admin, we say false. If I say is admin, so here instead of getting the result, which is false, we will get no name, because this is a Boolean expression and this is logical operator. It checks if this one is true, it returns, otherwise it goes to the next expression, so it returns the result of the next expression. Just for test, let us save it. No name instead of false. In standard ternary operator, it is like this. So name, if name is name, user data dot name, otherwise no name. So no name, and you can replace that with logical OR operator, and the result will be the same. If you give here a name, for example, Bob, you will get Bob. That's it guys, I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, liking, sharing, commenting, and being around. Have great times and hopefully see you in the next video.